Everything begins with the root. Before we learn to love, create, or rise, we first must learn to feel safe. The root chakra is the foundation of our entire energy system. It's where spirit meets matter, and the soul decides, I'm safe to be here. Between birth and age 7, the root chakra forms. This is when we receive our deepest programming, from the tone of a parent's voice, the rhythm of our home, the way love and safety were expressed or withheld. Psychologically, this chakra answers 3 core questions. Am I safe? Do my needs matter? Do I belong? Every experience, comfort, chaos, or even neglect becomes the soil of our nervous system. When the root chakra is balanced, we feel grounded and capable. There's an inner calm and a quiet knowing that we can trust life. This creates generosity, patience, and the ability to stand strong when things get uncertain. But when it's imbalanced, fear becomes the driver. Fear leads to control. Scarcity leads to competitiveness. And when we lose that sense of belonging, we start trying to earn it through achievement, attachment, perfectionism. The root chakra lives in the body, in the legs, the feet, hips, spine. And when we feel unsafe, the body tightens as a result. The breath becomes shallow, the muscles become tense, and the mind begins to race. Healing begins when we feel our way back into our body again. When we feel safe, we move slowly, breathe steady, ground into nature. All of these things reteach the nervous system that it's safe to be present. Healing the root means becoming the parent you always needed, giving yourself safety through consistency, showing up for yourself every single day. Eat grounding foods like root vegetables, beans, grains, proteins. Build stable routines for yourself and speak kindly to yourself. Safety isn't something we wait for. It's something we build and we create. Spiritually, the root chakra is when heaven meets earth. It's where your soul learns what it means to be human, to feel, to trust, to belong. True grounding isn't about control. It's about surrender, knowing that the earth is holding you even when you can't hold yourself. When this chakra heals, we don't just survive, we thrive. The root chakra teaches us that we can't rise without roots. Safety is sacred. It's what allows growth, love, and creativity to flourish. Next, we'll rise into the sacral chakra, the home of emotion, creativity, and flow. And thank you so much for tuning in. If any of this resonated, please hit like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you around. And until the next time, I'm sending love.